Today, we're going to create a kaleidoscope zoom effect, a trippy and mesmerizing zoom animation that adds a creative twist to your videos. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to use. Tap on your clip in the timeline to select it, then go down to the Effects tab. From there, open Video Effects and under the Motion category, search for Kaleidoscope Zoom. Tap on it and the effect will be instantly applied to your video. You'll see your video now zooms in with a kaleidoscopic reflection pattern, creating a dynamic, hypnotic feel. To fine tune this, tap on the effect again and open the adjustment options. Here you'll find the speed slider. This controls how fast the zoom occurs. If you move the slider to the right, you'll get a quicker, more energetic zoom, perfect for fast-paced transitions or music beats. If you move it to the left, the zoom becomes slower and smoother, ideal for dreamy or cinematic edits. Experiment with the speed until you find the rhythm that fits your video perfectly. Once you're happy with it, play it back, and you'll have a stunning kaleidoscope zoom effect that looks both professional and eye-catching. And that's it. You've just created the kaleidoscope zoom effect in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more creative CapCut editing guides.